Uh, Bern, I am here again to speak to you about my situation, my faith, my big toe, and I'm we have found some kind of doctor, a herbal doctor that no need of amputation to cut my legs. So I'm very sad if it just happened to me. So I'm so very happy that they found uh, alternative medicine to deliver to cure my disease, my illness. So, but we need more financial needs to support my treatment, that I can get well better. So your support that you have given to me, maybe if I have someday, I have
It's a big help.
I can give it back to you
Survive.
if I have some if God will give me more grace to that I can
Life. Live longer.
give you back what you have done to me,
Share. Yeah.
share it to me. So I'm so very happy that
Charlotte will explain you
that
more.
you are so good a person that God used to help me, to my family and my especially to the to Charlotte, the one instrument that that your help reached in my life. Thank you so much because of your kindness and your wholehearted heart that you have. You are so very what kind of this
Grades. Di.
so thank you so much. I cannot speak more English because I am not a fan of speaking English. I am not although I have graduated some college degree, but I have not used to speak more of English. That's why my English is so very crooked. So salamat. Thank you for your concern. You are so very very you're so very what kind of term that I have to use? You're so very helpful, and you have to share your blessings from God.